Welcome to 108 Estramina Road in Regents Park. So fresh paint, ceiling fans, hybrid flooring. This home has been renovated to a great standard. First cycle air conditioning. So open plan lounge dining area. And dual sliding doors out to the covered patio. Fabulous renovated modern kitchen. And the pantry has the pull-out drawers. Great for organisation. There we go, just to show you. Space for fridge freezer. Caesar stone bench worktops. Kitchen has hardly been used. Bosch dishwasher. And soft close drawers. So soft I need to push twice. There we go. So there's an abundance of cupboard and drawer space here. And then door access to the side yard. And again, extra cupboard space underneath the breakfast bar. Come through down the hallway. Linen cupboard. Modern bathroom. Again, great storage. Hi, it's me. And also towel cupboard and accessories. Through to 3 bedrooms, all with ceiling fans. Master bedroom, reverse cycle air conditioning. Triple built-in. And bedroom 3 then at the front. separate toilet. And then back along the hallway to the living areas. So plenty of room for both the dining room table and sofas. Overlooking the rear yard and gardens. And come through to what was once the garage. You've got the laundry here at the back. And then potential for further living or study. Garden shed, fabulous insulated ceiling patio, covered patio, and they have the roll down blinds, as you can see, that can be staggered. You can do a quarter, half, or right down to the ground, creating another room for all year round entertaining. Private rear yard. Perfect for someone that likes gardening. Really is a blank canvas. And if we come this way, you'll see that there is side access. So room for a boat, caravan, trailers, or if you want to put an ultimate shed at the end here. So plenty of side access space. It's very rare. So there you have it. 108 Estramina Road in Regents Park, in a lovely pocket, close to all amenities. And as you can hear, quiet except the birdies. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.